Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will do your textbook exercise of chapter number 6, The Milkman's Cow, and it is from your English Marigold NCERT book. So, let's start with questions and answers. There are only 3 questions given in your book. So, let's start with questions and answers. Question number 1. Why did the cow refuse to get up? Why did the cow refuse to get up? Answer is the cow was not feeling well and so was not in a mood to get up that day. Question number 2. Name those try to make the cow move. Name those try to make the cow move. Answer: the milkman, policeman, grocer, wrestler, and ice cream man tried to make the cow move. Question number 3. Who finally made the cow get up and how? Answer is the little boy offered green grass to the cow. She chewed it. The clever boy began to move to the side of the road with grass in his hand. The cow followed him and thus was moved. So finally, the little boy made the cow get up by giving her a sheaf of tasty grass. Let's talk. This exercise also actually we have to do in the class, but due to this coronavirus, we will do it from this video. We can make people do more things with kindness than with cruelty or force. Do you agree? What do you think? Tell the class about a time when you were kind to an animal. You can write your own experience. Answer is I agree with the statement. We can make people do more things with kindness than with cruelty or force. I think it is the best way to get any work done. So this is the only moral of this story. Now next exercise. Do you do an action always in the same way? How do you do these actions? First, how do you talk to visitors? I talk humbly and politely in a cultured manner when I talk to visitors. B. How do you talk to your friends in the playground? How do you talk to your friends in the playground? Answer is I talk empathetically and playfully with my friends in the playground. I talk empathetically and playfully with my friends in the playground. Number C. How do you talk to your teacher in the class? Actually, every child should talk respectfully to the teacher in the class. So, answer is I talk very respectfully to my teacher in the class. Next exercise is your word building. So, fill in the blanks using the words given at the end of the sentences. Number 1. Insects dash crawl on the wall. Insects can or cannot? Answer is can. Insects can crawl on the wall. 2. The grocer was dashed to move the cow. Able or unable? Grocer was unable to move the cow. He was not able to move the cow, led her side. So he was unable to move the cow. It was dash for the boy to make the cow get up. Easy or difficult? For the boy. So it was easy for the boy to make the cow get up. Next, children dash walk on their heads. So first of all think, can you walk on your heads? No. So children cannot walk on their heads. Next, sometimes love and kindness may success when force will fail. Sometimes love and kindness may success and force will fail. Next, we should be dash to animals. We should be kind or cruel to animals. So, we should kind to animals. We should kind to animals. Next exercise is let's write. From the story, the milkman's cow, find the simple past tense of the action words given below and write them in the blanks. So, present tense, simple present tense has been given. So, you have to find out the simple past tense from the book of the given action words. So, I have done this exercise for you. Simple present tense, pull. Simple past tense, pulled. Pull, pulled. Say, said. Begin, began. Lead, led. Come, came. Know, knew. Learn, learned. Grow, grew. Pray, prayed. Tug, tugged. Now fun time. So there are some pictures, half pictures has been given in your book, so you have to complete the drawings. So complete what is missing in these drawings, what work do these men or women do, and you have to find out what work these men and women do. A milkman sells cow's milk, buffalo's milk, or you can write a milkman sells milk. A grocer sells food and domestic items or vegetables. A grocer sells food and domestic items, or you can say vegetables. A policeman whistles and catches thieves and burglars. An ice cream man sells ice cream. A wrestler wrestles with each other. So children, this exercise you have to do it in your book. Word building, like fill in the blank, simple present, past tense, you have to do it in your book and notebook both. So goodbye children, and do the given exercises in your book and notebook. Question answers in your notebook. Thank you.